This is a piece of mahogany. It measures about 2.5 inches by almost 6 inches. It's from the scrap bin, and we're going to turn it into a pencil holder. So yes. I'll do the measuring, and then you can square across. This is called a combination square.
Combination square.
Right across, kind of fast.
Like that?
Yep, that worked. We'll go over again.
God.
You want me to hold the square? Is it easier?
Yep.
Okay.
Because you got the good angle.
Hang on, I'm not ready. We're not on that line. Good. Now we're going to find the center of this block of wood. And we'll just put a line. Okay.
When you drew that line down the center, I felt like Squidward when SpongeBob drew a perfectly round circle.
That's funny, you're right. From this center line, we're going to measure out 3/4 of an inch each side. I'm using my fingernail, and that gives me a nice straight line. You want to try it? Go ahead and try it on this side.
No.
Go ahead. You can do it like this. Just hold your finger.
Like that?
Well, you got to be up enough so you can get an angle in there.
Like that?
Yeah, now pull it. There you go.
Like that?
Like this. Nice. Now a little more pressure. Perfect. See, anyone can do it. This is called an awl, and we're punching a hole right where the lines bisect, and that will help the drill bit drill exactly where we want it to drill. So you want to take your time and do that? This is called a mallet.
Mm-hmm.
Do the last one.
This is a little dangerous, so I'm going to drill this hole. You can drill the smaller holes, so just stand back. We decided to drill a large hole at the one end of the pencil holder, mainly because we thought it looked good, but also you could probably store erasers or paper clips there. I'm using a 2-inch Forstner bit to drill the hole, and I've clamped the workpiece to the table as an added safety measure. When you're drilling large holes, the drill bit can get stuck in the hole and spin the workpiece, and that can be dangerous. So you have your hair back, you got your safety glasses on, you don't have any loose clothing on. I'm going to hold the wood, and you can turn the handle.
Okay.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to be timid, but you just have to understand the dangers.
Mm-hmm.
I'll hold the block of wood. We'll make sure that we're there. Don't do it yet. Let me turn it on. Now we're using a 5/16 drill bit. Okay, all the way up. Don't put it down while I switch it. Go ahead. So you're good.
Oh.
It deads out.
So once I hear that kind of like timid thing.
You didn't. Next time, wait for me to say go, because we got lucky on that one. Yeah, and you got to pay attention too. Yep. Okay. Once we finish this one, we'll just sand it. Give it a quick coat of lacquer. Okay. Now you want to turn it off? So look at how nice your holes are. Except for that one. It's not great. What do you think happened there?
Went in too fast?
Yeah. Yes. So take your time. Let the tool do the work. We can sand that and make it nicer though.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll sand it and spray it, and then we'll be done. You're just cutting the corners, always sanding with the grain. All right, well, that was a fun and easy project and a nice way to introduce your kid to woodworking. For me, this was a take your daughter to work day project. My daughter told me about this yesterday. I did a quick search on YouTube and found Steve Ramsey's video, so thanks, Steve. And I think this came out really nice. It's also nice that it's mahogany, and it's a nice way to use a piece of scrap wood. We made 2 of these, one for her teacher and one for her. So it's also kind of a nice way for her to remember this little time in the shop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.